Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry, India's #1 online study platform. My name is Kamaldeep. In the last class, we have discussed the short tricks to find square and square roots for IBPS RRB 2020. In this video, we're gonna find cubes and cube root tricks. Okay, so this video gonna be very exciting. So please watch it till the end. So now start with the homework from last video. So in the last video I have given you some homework. So see, you have this 53824. You have to find the square root of this. So what I have told you, just from right hand side make the pair of two digits, so this 24, and remove this. Now see, there was 4 at this unit place, so 4, when you will get 4 at unit place, you will get 4 when you will square of 2 or square of 8, so you will get 2 and 8. Done. Now here is this 538. So what is the previous one? Previous perfect square. From 538 you gonna say this one is 539. And what is 539? 23 square. So this you will get 2 3 and 2 3 8. Okay, so we have put this 23 here and this become 232 and 238. Now you will have only one number as answer. Both cannot be the answer, no? So this only one will be answer, either 232 or 238. So how will you choose? So this one is 538, previous is 529, so next is 576, and this one is 24. 24 square. Now see here, this 538 is close to this 529 or 576. So we will say, so this 538 is close to 529 and 529 is smaller number, or this one is your larger number. So this one is closer to smaller, so which one is smaller from these two numbers? So you will say, sir, 232 is smaller, so 232 will be the answer. If this 538 would have been close to this larger number, I would have said that this 238 is the right answer because this one is the larger. I hope this concept is clear. See, one more thing. If you want to find the square root of this 64009, what you gonna get? You'll see here, the pair of 0 and 9, remove this. Okay, now you will have this 9 will come when you will square of 3 or you will square the 7, so you get the unit place. Unit place is either 3 or 7. Now this one is 640. So what is the previous? Previous is 625. 625 is of what? 25. So put 25 here, this become 253. Put 25 here, this become 257. Now you have to choose between this 253 and 257, that which one is the answer and how will you choose. So for that choosing, you need the next perfect square also. And what is next perfect square? That is 676. Now this one is smaller number, this one is larger number. Now tell me, this 640 is closer to smaller or larger? So you will say, sir, 640 is closer to the 625 and 625 is the smaller number. So which one is smaller in these two? So I will say this 253 is smaller and this one is the answer. Okay, and I have already told this in this with the explanation in the previous video. So please watch that video also. Okay, and this was the homework from the last video. So I can say, it means I think this one is clear to you. Now move to the next one. So this homework was clear. Now today we'll discuss what we'll discuss. We'll discuss cubes and cube root. So how you gonna get cubes and cube root? That's what we'll discuss in this video. Suppose if you want to calculate the cube of this 12. Okay, if you want the calculate of cube of what? 12. How you gonna do this? So you have 2-3 steps here. So first step, what is first step? Just write the cube of this one, you will get 1, and write the cube of this 2. So 2 cube, you're gonna get 8. This one is 1 cube, 1 and 2 cube is 8. Now in the right hand side from here, you need 3 digits here. Okay, this is a trick for this. So you need 3 digits. Now we have this 8 and this 1. So these 2 digits are empty here. So what you will do? You will put 0 here. Okay, So you have put 0 here. So this become 1008. Now what is next step? Now do one thing. Just multiply this 1 by 2 and this by 3. So what you will get? You will get 2 into 3. You're going to get 6. Now this 6, you got it here. Now multiply this 6 by 12. So what you're going to get? You're going to get 72. Okay. So if you got 72, now leave a space here below this unit digit. Leave this space and write 72 from here. Now add these two, you get 8, 2, 7, 1, and this one is the cube of 12. All of you know this. Let me do one more example. See here, what I am trying to say you. Do the cube of 1, you will get this one. Do the cube of 4, you get 64, but make 0 here. Okay, take a 0 here to make 3 digits here. So we got 3 digits in the right hand side, and this one is 1 cube. So 4 cube is 064. Now multiply this 1 into 4 and this 3. So what you will get? You will get 12. If you get 12, multiply this 12 by this 14. So what you gonna get? So 12 into 12, 144 plus 24. So you're gonna get 168 actually. What I have did here, I just calculated this 12 into 14. 14 I can write it as 12 plus 2. So this becomes 144 plus 24, and this is known as splitting method, and this is very useful method in your calculation. So this become 144 plus 24. You got 168. Now leave one space here and write 168 here. So what you gonna get? This one is 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 4, 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7, 1 plus 1, 2. So your answer is 2744. What is your answer? 2744, and that's the right answer actually. Now see, one more example. Suppose you have to find the cube of this 18. How you gonna do this? What is 1 cube? You get 1. What is 8 cube? You get 5, 1, 2. And you got 3 digit here, so no need to put 0 here. So from right hand side you got the 3 digits. Now what is the next step? Just multiply this 1 into 8 into 3. What you will get? You will get 24. 1 into 8, 8. 8 into 3, you will get 24. Now 24 into this 18. You have to multiply this 24 into 8, 18 into 4. You get 72. Now 7 carry, 18 into 2, 36 plus 7. So that become 432. Okay. So now leave one digit here and write 432 here. Now add this, you will have 2, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 8, 3, 2. This one is the answer. Okay, so I have already told you the step by step. Now if I want to calculate this fast, so how will do this? Suppose you have to find the cube of this 27. So what you will do? You will do the one thing. Just 2 cube is 8, 7 cube is 343. So you got your 3 digits here. Now 7 into 2. What you will get? You will get 14. 14 into 3, 42. Now you have to multiply 42 by this 27. Or I can do this 21 into 54. So what you will get? 21 into 4, 84. Now 8 carry. Okay. Now 21 into 5, you will get 105 plus 8. You get 113. 113. Now add this 3, 4 plus 4, 8, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 1, 1, 9, 6, 8, 3. This one is the answer. So I hope this concept is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. I'll try to answer this. Okay. Now see, one more question. Suppose you want to calculate the cube of this 31. So what you will get? The 3 cube is 27, 1 cube is 1, so I have to put 2 0 here to make it 3 digits. Okay, now 3 into 3, you get 9, 9 into this 31. What you gonna get? 31 into 9, you'll get 9 and 279. So what you'll get? 19792. 29791. This one is the answer. Suppose you want to calculate the cube of this 39. What you'll get? 9 cube is 729. You got 3 digits. 3 cube is 27. Now 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 81. Now 81 into this 39. So you have to use the table of this 39. 39 into 1, you will get 9 here, 3 carry. 39 into 8. Now we don't know the 39 to 8. So can you find 14 to 8? You will know 320. 320 minus 8. 320 minus 312 and 3 carry 315. Now add this 9, 2 plus 9, 1, 7, 5, 12, 12 plus, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8, 1, 9, 2 plus 3, 5, 5, 9, 3, 1, 9, this one the answer. Now you will say, sir, how did you multiply this 81 and 39? See here, I multiply 39 into 1, you will get this 9 here. Okay, 3 will be carry. 39 into 1 is 39. So 9 at unit place and 3 will be carry. Now I multiply this 39 into 8. I didn't know the 39 into 8. But I know 40 is 40 into 8. Okay, so I just write this 39 as 40 minus 1 in my mind. So I just multiply this become 320 and 320 minus 8, so this become 312, and just I add just this 3 to this 312, you got 315. So I just added these two and I got my answer. Okay, so I hope this splitting method is clear to you, and this one is very good method. Actually, you will able to solve the question very quickly by using this method. Okay, now move to the next one. Suppose you want to calculate the cube of this 47. How will you do that? So what is 4 cube? 64. What is 7 cube? 343. So you got 3 digits here. Now 4 into 7, 84. So 28, 22, 4, 84. 84 into this 47. Now there is one big problem. You don't know the table of this 47. Don't worry. Just try to use this. 47 into 2. What you will get? You will get this 94. 94 into double. 94 into 2, 188. Okay, 188 means I can write 8 here. Now 18 will be carry. Now 47 into 8. So you will say, sir, 47 into 4 is 188. Now 47 into 8, double of that 47 into 4. That will be 47 into 8. Okay. So what is 47 into 4? You have calculated 188. So what will be 47 into 8? Double of this. So you know 376. Okay. Now 376 plus this 18. So what do you get? You get 394. So put 394 here. Now you got your answer. 3. 8 plus 4 is 2. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 4 is 3. 1 carry. 6 plus 3, 9. Plus 1, 10. 103823. This one is the answer. I hope this concept is very clear to you, and this one very amazing. Okay. Otherwise, what you have to do, there is one method actually, another method to find the cube. 47 cube. Can you write this as a 47 square into this 47? I have already told you a trick of this. 3 less means 09. 25 minus 3, 2209 into this 47. So now you have to multiply this, and you got this. You will get this. Okay. So this is another method also. This can be another method. So either use this or you can use this. It's just a matter of practice. The thing in which you practice, you will be perfect in that. Okay, if you practice this method, you will be perfect in this. If you practice this method, you will be perfect in this. So I hope this concept is very clear to you. Clear? Now move to the next one. Now I'm gonna give you some homework. So what are homeworks? First one is your 67. Suppose 91, you have to find the 72. You have to find this 38. So please do this at home and comment the answer in the comment box. Okay, then I'll check whether those are right or wrong. Okay, now move to the next. What is next? So this one was the concept of cube. Now we'll use cube root. We'll find cube root. How you can find cube root? See here, 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. Now 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. Now 5 cube is, you will say, sir, 125. Now what is 6 cube? 6 cube is 216. Now 7 cube, 343. Now 8 cube, 512. What is 9 cube? It will be 729. And what is 10 cube? It will be 1000. Okay. Now see one thing. You have 1 cube, unit place, it's 1. Unit place, when you cube 2, you will get unit place as a 8. When you will cube 3, you will get unit place as 7. 4 you will get 4, 5 you will get 5, 6 cube you will get 6 at unit place, 7 cube you will get 3 at unit place, 8 cube you will get 2 at unit place, 9 you will get 9 as unit place, 0 you will get 0 as unit place. So you need to learn this unit place actually. That after that you can apply this method what I am going to tell you. Okay, now first of all we have to find the cube root of this 3375. So how you gonna do this? So from right hand side, just take these three digits. Okay, you have taken these three digits. Now 375. Just remove this. Now what you got? 5 at unit place, and when you will get 5 at unit place in the case of cube, there is one case only in which you are getting 5, and that's 5. So you will get 5 when you have unit place as 5. Okay, so we have calculated the unit place. Now we have 3 here. Now what is the previous perfect cube? Previous perfect cube. So you will say, sir, previous perfect cube is 1 because 3 will lie here. So what is previous perfect cube? 1, and 1 is a cube of what? 1. So just put 1 here and this is the answer. This is quite simple. Not as confusing as square root. This is quite simple actually. This is simple because you have only one digit here. In the case of square root, you have two unit place same. So that's why you have to choose between two numbers. But in the cube root, there is no such case. You have only one single digit assigned to a particular digit. Okay. Now see here. If you calculated this, now we'll calculate one another. Suppose you want to calculate the cube root of this 15625. 15625. What will be the cube root of this? So we'll say just starting from this right hand side, remove these three digits. Now you have 5 at unit place, you will get 5 at unit place. Now you have this 15. So what is the previous perfect cube? Previous perfect cube. What is previous perfect cube? So this one is 15. So what is previous perfect cube? You will get what? 8. And 8 is cube root of what? 8 is, sorry, cube of what? 8 is cube of 2. So just put 2 here and this one is the answer. What I am going to tell you, this one is quite easy. Actually, see one more example. If you don't understand this, see one more example. 912673. If you want to calculate the cube root of this, how will you do this? Just remove these three digits. This is 673. Now when you will get 3, you will get 3 when you have the unit place as a 7, because 7 cube is 343. So you are getting 3 at unit place. Now you have left with this 912. Now what is the previous perfect cube of 912? You will say, sir, previous perfect cube before 912 is 729. So this one is the 729 and this one is perfect cube. Okay. Now 729 is cube root of what? 9. So this 9, you'll get 729. So just put 9 here, you'll get 97 as the answer. Don't understand? Now see one more. Suppose if you want to calculate the cube root of this 804 and 357. Okay, this one is the cube root. So what you will do, just use this 357. Now 7 is here, so what will be at unit place? You will get 3. Okay, you will get 3. And this one is 804. This one is 804. So what is the previous perfect cube? So this one is 804. Previous perfect cube is 729. And what is that? Cube of 9. So just put 9 here, you will get 93, and 93 is the answer. So I hope this concept of cube root is clear to you. So in today's lecture, we had discussed an amazing session of this cube and cube root, and these were very good tricks, and you can use this in your calculation, and this will help you to boost up your calculation speed. So I hope this concept is very clear to you. Now move to the next. So that's all for today's session, and as you know, we are giving a free daily live IBPS RRB rank booster quiz. So please attempt this quiz daily at our Entry app, and this quiz is free for all. and you can attempt it at daily at 10 a.m. In this quiz you will get 15 questions for 15 minutes. Link will be given in the description, so go to the description and click on that link and you will get this entry app, and please attempt this rank booster quiz. Because if you attempt these quizzes you will able to solve the given question in in a particular given time. Okay, because in the exam you will have only 45 minutes and you will have 80 questions. Okay, so for one question you have less than 1 minute actually, so you have to attempt one question in the less than 1 minute. But in starting we have given you 15 question for 15 minutes. So when you will solve these questions, or you will take from 10 to 15 mock test, or 10 to or you can say 15 to 20 mock tests. After that you will your speed will be increasing gradually. You can see also that, but before that you need to attempt this 15 to 20 questions. Okay, so please attempt this quiz, this is very important for you. So if you like the video, please like it, comment on it, and share as much as you can possible. And please subscribe our entry channel. The link is given in the description box also. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.